Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where after watching this tutorial, your multitasking is gonna be increased by a lot. I'll guarantee you. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multitasking by shifting the windows over your Windows PC. I'm going to tell you a shortcut. For example, let me open a window right in front of you. Now, I want to manage this window after creating multiple windows. Now, in order to pin this window over any of the side of the window, just simply hit and press and hold Windows key over your windows, and now press the arrows key over the keyboard. Once you do that, you can see by pressing multiple arrow keys I can move my window over anywhere I want. I can even minimize it by if I press multiple times the down arrow key. You can see I can minimize and make the window a more convenient to manage multiple windows. So by that you can easily manage multiple windows and increase your multitasking productivity. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.